Hi friends! Here with another fun craft. It's Miss Hazel!
And Miss Kate over here doing something else.
Alright, today we're going to make a farmyard friend. Look at him, he's so funny. He's my little chicken friend. Okay, and if you wanted to make different animals, like you could use the same sort of basic shape, and you could give him a round nose if he was a pig, and some funny ears if it was a dog, or pointy ears if it was a cat. But today it's going to be a chicken friend. Okay, so first you're going to cut out your two little things, and then you're going to start with putting on your eyes. So I already kind of started with my first eye. So what I've got, you're going to have to change thread a few times this time. So you need orange thread like your beak, you're going to need yellow thread for your body, and black thread to sew your eyes.
And what kind of thread is it, Miss?
Oh, it's embroidery thread and a big needle that's pointy, so it's easy for little hands and big hands to use.
And what is the fabric you're using?
Oh, I'm using felt. Funny, you should ask Miss Kate. It's fun to sew and very softy. Okay, so yes, all right, here we go. So I started this eye already, so I'm gonna finish the last stitch. I put 3 stitches on the pupil, and then I did 3 eyelashes. Your eyelashes could go to the side, or you could have no eyelashes. But it kind of did 2 things. It sewed on the eye, and then it sewed on the white of the eye. And then you can see the back. I'm going to go over here to where I think that my other part of my eye should go. Let me put my white part down. I put both parts down at the same time. Try to make my little chicken not look crazy. I'm going to try to match up their eyes. Okay, there we go. Now they still look a little crazy. All right, well, it is what it is. Okay, now I'm going through the back. I'm going to run the thread through the back. And got the pupil. Sometimes, I bet you that happens to you at home too. Your needle comes unthreaded. So I'm going to thread it back up. I'm going to make 3 stitches into my eye to hold it. Probably 2 would be enough if you wanted to. You decide. You just want to make sure you hold down the center pupil. And now I'm going to make 3 eyelashes. 1. Just going through the back, trying to figure out where my eyelashes would be. And there we go. Look at my thread. Okay. 2 and 3. Okay, now I have my eyelashes, and then I'm going to go in the back. My thread got stuck. There we go. And I'll just take behind where the pupil is so I don't leave an extra stitch. I'm just going to put a little extra stitch in there. And there's my scissors. Trim the extra. Not the sharpest scissors. Okay, so I have eyes. Oh, and then now I'm going to make the beak. Is a diamond-shaped piece of orange, and then I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to line it up on the face where I think a beak would go, right under the eyes. Then I'm going to open it up, kind of line it in there like that. I think will work. Then I've got my orange thread. I need to put a little knot on it. I already did. I'm going to show you how I like to make a knot. I like to make like a circle around my finger, and then I kind of roll it and then slip it down, and it makes a kind of cool knot. Okay, now go through the back, and I'm going to sew. If you'd imagine you folded the beak in half, I'm going to sew on the line where the beak is folded. So I come out in the middle, and I'm going to just make a few. I'm going to use the running stitch. I picked a not very sharp needle.
And what is that again, Miss Hazel?
That's when one stitch follows the other stitch in a row.
So it looks like they're running?
Yes, they're running after each other. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so I've sewed on my beak. And then in the back, and just put one little extra stitch so it doesn't come loose. Make you sad if your beak fell off. I would be sad if my beak fell off. Okay, all right. Now I have my face. Now, this one I sewed a face on earlier to show you the eyes, but so this is going to be a two-faced friend for right now. So you want to make your beak work, use your fingers and press it down. It's called finger pressing. Finger press down your beak. You're going to place your comb for your chicken on top and close it up. And then when you start sewing, you're going to start sewing right here. I didn't bring extra yellow threads. I'm just going to show you with the orange. You're going to come inside and you're going to catch the edge. And then you're going to use the running stitch going in and out, because you want to secure the comb on your chicken. Like that. Just back and forth. See how it runs after itself? Run, 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 run.
Is
Okay.
it kind of like the lines in a street also?
Yes, like the lines in a street or on a highway. Okay, so you get the idea. Now, flash forward, and I want you to see I tried a couple different kinds of stitches on this one. You can see this one's got, is it the whip stitch, Miss Kate, where it goes over itself?
Or blanket stitch?
Blanket stitch and regular running stitch. But now this friend is a little bit flat, so he needs his fluff. So I stuffed my fluff in. I sewed up right. I sewed all the way around until I got to his neck on the other side. And that left me room to get inside. And I used my fingers and I got down to make sure he has some on his feet. And then some in his arms. And then I'm going to stuff a little more to make him just the right fluffiness. To make him a good fluffy snuggle friend. And then put that in. And then sew up the edge. Just make sure you get both sides caught. Again, it's the, what do I call it? Running stitch. There you go. And then get to the end. Quickly sewing. It's very quiet in here. Miss Kate, have any
It is
funny
very
stories
quiet in
for me?
While you're stuffing?
This one goes, this is a partner piece with our friend that, if you saw on another one of our videos, we have a chicken friend that's on a little plaque. This is the chicken plaque friend, farmyard friend. Okay, so now, remember, when you're done sewing, I think I've told you this before, I like to do like 2 or 3 stitches in the same place. So your fluff doesn't fall out. 2, 3. Okay. There you have it. Get my scissors. Oh, I have a lot of friends now. Get all my little farmyard friends. And that is how you make a little farmyard friend. Oh, let me fix my beaks. Beak, 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 beak. Okay. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. We have 100 followers now. It's very exciting. Or you can watch us on Instagram.
And
Right, Miss
Alameda
Kate?
Arts Fun. Yep.
Alameda Arts Fun. All right,
Okay.
bye,
Bye, everyone.
friends.